Welcome to London, a city where history meets modernity and every street corner has a story to tell. Whether it's your first time here or your 10th, I've got some incredible tips to make your visit unforgettable. Let's dive into the top 10 must-do experiences in London with insider advice to help you make the most of your time and budget. Start your journey with a leisurely walk along the south bank of the River Thames. It's the perfect spot for iconic views, street performances, and a taste of London's vibrant culture. Pro tip: head here during sunset for a magical golden hour. And don't forget to grab a coffee from one of the local pop-ups. Step back in time at the Tower of London. This 1,000-year-old fortress holds tales of royalty, betrayal, and treasures. Insider tip: book your tickets online to skip the queues and join the early morning tours for fewer crowds and the best photo ops. No trip to London is complete without witnessing the grandeur of Buckingham Palace. Plan your visit around the changing of the guard ceremony for an extra slice of royal pageantry. Remember, it's free to watch, but get there early for a good spot. Covent Garden is where charm and creativity collide. Explore its quirky shops, grab a bite at the market, and be amazed by the talented street performers. Don't miss Neal's Yard, a hidden gem of colorful facades and cozy cafes. For history buffs, the British Museum is a treasure trove of ancient artifacts. The best part? Admission is free. Insider tip: focus on a few exhibits to avoid feeling overwhelmed, and check out the free guided tours. Treat yourself to a quintessentially British experience: afternoon tea. Whether you go for a luxurious hotel experience or a quirky themed tea, this is your chance to savor delicious treats while taking a break from sightseeing. For a taste of London's eclectic spirit, head to Camden Market. From mouth-watering street food to vintage finds, there's something for everyone here. Don't forget to try the churros or a vegan burger, both local favorites. London's West End is world-famous for its theater scene. Whether you're into classic musicals or cutting-edge plays, there's a show for every taste. Insider tip: look out for same-day ticket deals at the TKTS booth in Leicester Square. Escape the hustle and bustle with a stroll through Hyde Park and Kensington Gardens, rent a bike, have a picnic, or simply enjoy the serene beauty of nature in the heart of the city. Wrap up your London adventure with a drink and panoramic views at one of the city's rooftop bars. From Sky Garden's lush greenery to Madison's views of St. Paul's Cathedral, it's the perfect way to toast your trip. So there you have it. 10 unforgettable experiences to make the most of your London adventure. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and insider guides. So there you have it. 10 unforgettable experiences to make the most of your London adventure. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and insider guides.